This class uses a building block approach to learning Python. We introduce basic concepts. Often, those concepts build on previous concepts learned in the class. It is important that you understand each step before moving on to the next. Space on a computer, when it comes to a running program, is called RAM, Random Access Memory. Your computer must have enough memory to run the program. This is like when you have too many photos on your phone and can't run your favorite game because you are out of space. Variables are how we tell Python to use RAM. We do this using Python syntax. Syntax is the rules of the programming language. Everything we learn in this class will have specific syntax. The syntax for defining a variable is pretty straightforward. A variable has a name. The variable is assigned a value. The assignment is done by a single equal sign. The syntax order is name, single equal sign, value. You always know it's a variable because it's on the left-hand side of a single equal sign. What happens in computer RAM when I define a variable? For our example, with the variable name myvar and the value 10, Python tells the computer to store the name of the variable, myvar in RAM. Python also tells the computer to store the value 10 in RAM. Python tells the computer to associate myvar with the number 10. Until changed, myvar will be associated with the number 10. To summarize, defining a variable in Python instructs the computer to take space from RAM. A variable has a name. A variable is assigned a value. You can always tell it's a variable name because it's on the left-hand side of a single equal sign.